Real estate term of the day, special assessment. Now, this is not an HOA special assessment, although it's called exactly the same. What we're talking about is this tax levy for public improvements. This is anything in front of your house. So I'll give you an idea. Let's say this is your house, your dimensions. Here's the building and your house, the edge of your house goes from here to here. So you are responsible for any construction that is done by the county all the way to the middle of the street. If it's the sewer, you're going to have to pay the sidewalk as well. And if you have a street light or the street, you will get a bill. This is known as a superior lien because if you don't pay it, the city has the right to foreclose on you. Now, why is it that you pay only to the middle of the street? Well, because technically there's supposed to be somebody else on the other side, and they're paying until the middle of the street. But Rick, nobody lives in front of my house. So don't worry. You're still only responsible to the middle of the street, and that is it. And that is the definition of a special assessment. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to set up a one-on-one tutoring session for the Florida real estate exam, the state exam, I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.